Hey guys, what's going on? Troy at Mountain Man Treasure here, and it's Saturday morning. It's time to go thrifting. And, well, this is going to take more than one video because we have a lot of stops to make. And I know it's going to get too long. So here is part one of, I don't know what to call it. Okay, so a couple minutes in, this place has been hit hard already, it looks like, but we're going to go see what we can see. Well, hey, buddy. You know who to come to talk to, huh? Yeah. Oh, boy, big. It's a big one. That's a gigantic big, though.
I need to put a place on. I forgot that was going to be that $25.
Gotcha. That's pretty neat.
Yeah, for the golf cart or the golf clubs.
Put them in the back if you want. A poker set. Scrabble cells. Do we like it?
Yeah.
For us?
Well, I mean, we can try it.
I've never heard of it.
I can't sing, so you're gonna have to like.
Is that where you like sing a song
You
and?
have to sing the lyrics to a song. And then like it has, you have to, if you get a word, and I think you have to think of songs that have that word in it.
Mm.
You should really look into some voice lessons. That would find my card.
Pick up.
This one.
Oh yeah, I'd read that. But I'm already kind of there.
Yeah, that's true.
I probably could have written that book. Okay. So who's the, well, I know, you're the boss, right? Like, why am I asking?
He just stands there, yeah.
Right? So we all add up to 11. Would you take 10?
Sure.
Okay. Morning. Are we way too early? Okay.
We're gonna bring donuts if you come early.
You know, I'd have done that. That's cool. Seven. Look at that. I'm a sucker for hats. No books.
How does that work? Oh, you hang it up. I see.
Lifestyle 48 series.
Per day? Oh, still. Between Facebook and Craigslist, I can't remember the last time we looked at a newspaper. Yeah, you'll get random foot traffic too.
something. Oh, Joker. Large. Is that an adult large or youth large? That's adult large. So maybe this guy. Shirts are $1. What's that one that you found? Yeah, I think that's a good one. I can't help it.
Oh yeah, I feel like you're not taking care of your stuff.
I am.
Okay, give me
All right.
$8.
So we got $8?
Yes.
All right. So that Bose. Bose is a great name. That's an older Bose. It still has some value. I mean, there have been a complete set. There was a listing for a complete set sold for $1,000 free shipping. But there are also some that are listed at like $500 right now at auction with no bids. So I just didn't want to, I mean, and he was stuck at 100. So we talked about it, and my CFO and I decided it's kind of rough just to dump such a big chunk into something that's obviously very big. There's potential there, but there's also potential for it to sit. So, you know what? We just decided to pass. Now, if you do come across those and it's a great price, pick it up. $100 was just a little much for me to do today, but the remotes for those systems actually sell for about $75. So you could make your money back almost off the remote. All right, on to the next. Sanfordized. That's old. Sanfordized is old. Wrangler made in the U.S. That might be worth grabbing.
Yes, no?
Yeah, maybe. Jackson. I've never found one of those. A sure shot. How much are they looking for? Does it say? Right. Oh, that's kind of cute. Sierra Club. That's a winner.
You're welcome. Have this one.
I know. Well, I mean, would this come out? Or is that just like a sweat stain, basically?
Look at this thing. It's just worn. I think so. I don't know what I have.
Here.
2. These are mine. 2, 4,
That's right.
6,
Still the same price.
6. That was 8 for the bag. $10. 11 for the hat.
11?
11 total.
Okay. Okay, so we are sitting in line for some caffeine. Mama needs her caffeine. We're going to get it for her. And then maybe a stop at the Breakfast of Champions location, McDonald's. There is one more kind of like a community type sale that we're going to hit. Hopefully there's something there. This has been a little bit of a not great garage sale day. We found some okay things, but I think we're in the final stages of garage sale season here in Montana. I think it's going to end up wrapping up here in the next couple of weeks. I did see there is a large sale next weekend, so we'll be able to hit that. But after that, I don't know. I think when we run out of August, we run out of garage sales potentially. So, I don't know. Fingers crossed.
Good. How are you guys today?
Good. I think we're going to do a couple of the Lotus drinks.
Okay.
We're going to do one, the blueberry with coconut. And then I liked the cherry bomb the other day. I'll try that again.
Do you guys want cream or whipped cream on either one?
You know what? I'll try some cream in the cherry bomb and give that a shot, but not in the other.
All right. Perfect. Then is half and half okay, or do you want heavy cream?
However you guys normally make it.
Right.
I trust you.
I think it's half.
I don't know what y'all put in it. I just trust you. Where do you want to go? Left? Right?
That's the sound. Great. I thought it was a picture.
That's fun. Avon. Cool. That's a winner. Good job, babe. Huh? I know you know things. Most Avon stuff is good. Those brass bells can be good.
Would you be mad if I just told this guy?
No. Rangers. Oh, I love bell peppers. Oh, I've sold one of these before. This is shutting down right now. Yeah, this is shutting down. So these are good, probably on Facebook. I sold this on Facebook for 25 bucks already.
July 28, 2020.
Oh, that's awesome. That's a Red Riding Hood.
But I had a lovely mom.
Blah Industrial. I mean,
You know what I mean? I was kind of
maybe. Let's put them in there and I'll see. Like, 1, 2, 3.
I pick things up, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So from like garage sales, flea markets, just wherever?
Yeah, estate sales. What
Yeah.
I do it for is so I'm keeping active.
Sure.
I don't like to lay around. Not good for you.
Well, I don't think you laid around much with all this stuff.
No, I've been busy all my life, pretty much. I've been having fun. That's what I like to do.
Good.
Yeah, have fun on it. Don't do it. You know, like camel stuff that get installed. Yeah. I just helped out a special friend of mine, so I'm trying to do things. You know what I mean?
Sure. So let's see, he was 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is that? So 23, 33. I don't know, what do you think? 30, 35 bucks for it?
Yeah.
Does that work?
That's good.
Okay, honey. Sounds like a plan. Bye.
And good CDs.
You're on the fence for $1. Yep, I'm getting rid of stuff.
Yeah. Way to do it, huh?
This thing.
You might be able to use the free.
Okay.
Figure it out.
I think.
I got a buddy that looks just like him.
Yeah.
He's a Cowboys fan too. Yeah.
Well, he's a smart man
Take
then.
a picture of him and send it to him. Like, no, don't do that. Yeah, he's a Cowboys fan. He's got the beard and everything. Glasses.
He's a good-looking man.
So in case you don't have like Bluetooth or whatever.
Oh. Yeah, she just bought a car with that. So.
Oh, well, there you go. Hi, I'm motivated, so if you are interested in anything, or if there's anything you think you might be able to use, just bring it to me, we'll make it work. Okay.
I'm gonna get
Racco.
this for $1.
Okay.
What about this?
Is it scratched? Because we bought it like 3 times and every time it has a
That's
scratch
what I'm
on it.
saying. Every time I find it, it's like,
It's not scratched.
okay, because
I think we bought it was scratched. We bought a replacement
And it was
and
scratched.
it was scratched.
Yeah.
it looks pretty
All right. And we're cursed.
Well, here's this iPod here. Classic.
Hmm.
with lots of paraphernalia.
Lots of
It's a
stuff.
good traveler in case, you know, you're traveling, you don't have internet.
Food Ride's got some good stuff. Man, there's more here than I realized.
Oh, it raises up and down.
Halloween stuff. Oh, here's some Halloween stuff. Ooh, look at these.
That's kind of cool. Halloween. I like Halloween stuff.
Cute.
So we're done at our, essentially it was a flea market, and I think we did better there. Well, I know we did better there than at our garage sales. We got quite a lot of stuff, and I think we got a pretty good price. And, well, she won again. I'm pretty sure she found the best single item of our trip. So, Rev Resale. I feel you, my man. But you know what? That's why we're a team. We'll get home, and we'll lay it all out. We'll go over it. Okay, we're cutting this video off now because it's really long. We hit a lot of sales. We were out for like 5 hours picking up stuff. So we're cutting this off now. Come back tomorrow to see the second half of, we don't have a title. Come back tomorrow to see the second half, see what else we found, and check out the final haul. We did really, really well. And Roxanne, she won. Thanks, guys, for stopping by. I appreciate it. Hit the bell, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time. Bye.